In this video, we'll cover how to use Canvas Studio to complete an assignment in which you must record your face and a presentation. There are two ways to do this. The first one is to go directly into the assignment. As you can see here, I have a Train the Class assignment. As you scroll down to the bottom of the assignment, you'll see ways to submit your assignment. You click here on Canvas Studio, then you're going to go to Create and choose Screencast-O-Matic. If you haven't already downloaded the Canvas Studio Recorder, it will ask you to do that here. If you have, which I have, I'm going to click on Open the Screen Recorder. Here it's talking about the download. So this is if you haven't downloaded it, you'll see that screen and you'll want to click on that download. Anything within this screen here, this box, is going to be what is recorded. For your assignment, you're required to include your screen and your camera. So you're going to want to make sure both is clicked. You can choose the size of this window. So you can either drag it by pulling on the sides here to cover whatever you want included in the screen recording, or you can choose here and choose the size, the active window, or full screen. Here you will choose which microphone you wish to use, and this is to choose whether you want computer sounds recorded or not. Up here at the top, you can choose writing on the screen, highlighting, erasing, adding shapes. And so once you get your screen sized appropriately to your presentation, which is going to be in the background, you would hit record. I'm going to go ahead and show you that with a sample presentation. Once I have my presentation in view here, I'll go ahead and hit record. It's going to give me a countdown. And I'm going to go through my presentation now, clicking through the slides, changing the slides, talking through my presentation. When I'm done with the presentation, I'll hit this pause here. I can edit it, or I can click done. So I'm going to go ahead and click done. I'm going to name this, and I'm going to click upload. Now it's going to upload that presentation, and I'll have some options once it's finished uploading. Then I'm going to say embed media. Where I can submit my assignment, I must produce captions. You're going to click on the captions box, and you're going to click on review and publish. And then finally, publish. Then you will submit your assignment. The second way you can use Canvas Studio is to click over here in this far menu, and you can click Studio. It's going to bring up Canvas Studio, which looks exactly like before. You're going to go ahead and click here, click on Screencast-O-Matic. It's going to go through the same process that you went through before, in which you're going to record your presentation. The only difference is it's not going to embed it directly into that assignment automatically. You're going to have to do it. And so you're going to click here. You're going to click on Share Media, then Links, and then you're going to create a public link. You'll copy that link, then you'll go back to your assignment, click on the assignment, scroll to the bottom, you're going to click on web URL, and you're going to paste in that web URL that you just copied and hit submit. And then your instructor will be able to click on this link to access your assignment. If you have any questions about how to record your face as well as your presentation in Canvas Studio, please reach out to your professor.